Everyone, we talked about go give a book summary of first law, that is the law of value, in the previous session. So I want to continue today to the next law. So just a revision what we have learned of law of value. The first law is the more value you add to the people, the more money you get. You should not focus on the payment. You should always focus on how you can how you can add value to the people. The more and more value you add, the more and more money you get, payment you get. Your true worth is determined by how much more value you add to the people. And now we are going to talk about the second value, that is law of compensation. What is law of compensation? Your income. Your income is determined by how much people you serve. In the first law, the author Bob Burke he said, the more value you add, the more payment you get. In second law, he says, if you want to have a more income, you have to serve more people. My mentor says, if you want to become a millionaire, then you have to help millions people to get millions. So how much people you impact, how much people you serve, that much income you will get. If you want more success, if you really want more success, you have to find a people whom you can serve. You have to find a way to serve more people. The more people you serve, the more success you will be. It looks like simple, but it is not. So there are no limitations what you can earn. There are no limitations, because we all wonder, is it so easy to earn money? According to Bob Burke, it is easy when you have your mind to help others. So he says there is no limitations to earn more money, because there is no limitations to serve more people. N number of people you serve, n number of income you get. When you help others, the universe help you to get what you want to achieve. As simple as that. The more you give, the more you get. Everybody can be successful because everybody can serve. The last one, what you focus on is what you get. If you focus on that you want to become a dance expert in dance field, you have to focus only on that every day. If you want to become a sales expert, you have to focus on selling, improving sales skills, applying the knowledge, whatever you learned every day, reading sales related books, watching sales videos. In that way, if you are focused on that, you will definitely become sales expert. So what you focus on is what you get. So this is about second law. First law is law of value. The more value you add, the more payment you get. The second value, law of compensation. The more, if you want more income, then you have to serve more people. Thank you. Bye. Actually, there are totally 5 values, so I'll be taking the summary of 5 values. And one more thing, if you want to, I'm going to have a very good news is I'm going to have Bob Burke, the author, on my next talk show. So if anybody wants to ask questions directly, interact with him, you can definitely come and join the talk show, which is on this Friday, August 27th, evening 6:30 p.m. YouTube live. You can directly comment, and in the live show we will be asking questions whichever you want to ask. we can do that. So there is a registration link in the comment box. You please register so that you can participate in the talk show. Thank you. Bye.